What's the run?
Blood drive. Children's Hospital, Eureka.
Sam Crow, community servants.
That's what we're all about, baby.
Yeah.
My boy, the master of timing. I love you.
I love you too.
I got him. What?
I'm your old lady.
Come on, let's get you some breakfast. Huh? Get you big and strong.
Oh, Chief. We're not open for a few days, but is there something I can help you with?
Not looking for smokes. I know who you are, what you do.
If you're referring to the League of American Nationalists,
I'm not talking about what you do with the suit and tie. I'm talking about what you do with the rubber masks.
I'm afraid you have me at a loss.
Things work themselves around. Your time will come.
That sounds like a threat.
Charming's a special town. Not many folks take to it. I like to think the town chooses its occupants. Right ones stay. Wrong ones disappear.
I got your page.
Chief Unser is looking for you.
Is everything okay?
You tell me. You seem to get a lot of visitors, both sides of the law.
Chief?
Didn't mean to pull you away from anything.
What is it?
Gemma,
Something happened?
she's out of sorts. A matter of time before she hurts someone. Herself. Not sure how to help her.
She has to talk to somebody about what happened. I tried. You care about her.
Known her since she was 12. Me and Emily Coles was the ones that tried to talk her out of running away. She split when she was 16. Came back 10 years later with a baby and a motorcycle club. Sort of like you did, except without the baby and such.
Yeah.
You and Jack seem to be doing okay.
I'm trying to figure it out. What do you make of us? The doctor and the biker.
Seen stranger parents.
Excuse me, cardiorespiratory tech is looking for you.
Thank you.
Don't think on it too hard, Doc. Come across something that don't make you miserable, enjoy it.